Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. So this is the question we are going to solve today. Solve the square root of a fraction with numerator 5 exponent 3 plus 5 exponent 3 plus 5 exponent 3 and denominator 3 exponent 3 plus 3 exponent 3 plus 3 exponent 3 plus 3 exponent 3 plus 3 exponent 3. So let's start. The first thing I'll do is to simplify the fractions, right? So we know if you add a number to itself 3 times, it's the same as 3 times that number. If you add a number to itself 5 times, it's the same as 5 times that number. So we have a plus a is 3a, and b plus b plus b plus b plus b is 5b. In the same way, I can simplify the numerator and denominator of this question to 3 times 5 exponent 3 over 5 times 3 exponent 3. So it's the same question simplified. Now let's move on. Now let's apply the rule, the quotient rule for exponents. Right, so we have a exponent x divided by a exponent y is going to equal a exponent x minus y. Right, so I have 5 exponent 3 divided by 5, that's going to become 5 exponent 2. And I have 3 divided by 3 exponent 3, that's going to become 3 exponent negative 2. So this is how it looks like. So we have 5 exponent 3 minus 1 divided by 3 exponent 3 minus 1, which becomes 5 exponent 2 divided by 3 exponent 2. Now we apply this identity which says the square root can be written as an exponent half, right? So let's apply that. So it becomes 5 squared divided by 3 squared all to the power half. And now we can apply this rule that says we can distribute the exponent over a quotient. So a over b exponent x is the same as a exponent x divided by b exponent x. So 5 squared over 3 squared exponent half is the same as 5 squared exponent half divided by 3 squared exponent half. Now from this rule, we can now multiply the two exponents. That's 5 times 2, 5 to the power 2 times half divided by 3 to the power 2 times half, and the final answer is 5 over 3, 5 on 3. So that's how you solve this question. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and see you later. Bye.